Welcome back to the Trading Blueprints, guys. So I'm very sorry for not putting out this video earlier last week because I was just trying to give myself new room to learn new strategies and techniques through seminars and other platforms which I'm going to teach you guys here so you integrate in your daily trading strategy. Now today's focus is going to be about the BBMA Multi-Timeframe Re-Entry in quote. And one specific rule I want to say in this BBMA is when trading with the BBMA strategy, you need to be very, very careful with market bias. What I mean by that is you need to be very, very specific on the market's trend, whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend, because if you have a trend mix whereby it's not up or down and markets just ranges, like this section right here, markets just range, then your BBMA setup might be sketchy. Some might be correct, but it's not going to be accurate and is not going to leave you with enough confidence for you to enter the trade with good amount of money so you can make a lot of profit. Now, as we can see on this chart, this is the USD CAD hour 4. On this chart, we can see clearly that price diverted to be an uptrend. How did I know this is an uptrend? My 200 EMA signifies that this chart is in an uptrend, and right here we can see how the market is moving in an uptrend. It might not be in a long-term uptrend, but it is currently in an uptrend. So let's study the patterns and the strategies using this BBMA method. Now, first of all, while reading this chart, I saw that price gave a very strong momentum buy. When I mean by momentum buy, I have explained this concept in my later video, which the link is in the description below. Do well to like that video and comment on what other suggestions you want me to do, or if you want me to add any other thing to this BBMA strategy, because it's really a lucrative strategy, guys. I'm telling you, it's really lucrative if you master the art of BBMA strategy. Now, this momentum buy signifies that price is dormant in the uptrend. Basically, we are going to just be looking for re-entries once we see this momentum buy. But in the meantime, price gave us CSK extreme sell. That is extreme sell, whereby moving average 5 is above the top Bollinger Band. And in this case, extreme sell means we need to sell aggressively. With confirmation though, now let me tell you how to confirm extreme sell. Once we see an extreme sell, once we see this, moving average 5 high above this Bollinger Band, the top Bollinger Band. Mind you, this is an example for the uptrend though. In this top Bollinger Band, we wait, we don't sell immediately. Now that's one other mistake that traders make. They might sell immediately and price might just continue going up for some time. It will eventually come down, but it will go up and they might lose a lot of funds if they don't know how to manage their money very well. Now, the best time to enter an extreme sell is when price closes inside the Bollinger Band, like how we did here, right at this area. We can see that price closed inside the Bollinger Band, and once that happens, we take our sell order targeting the MA5 or 10 low, which is right here. So as you see, price took our take profit easily. That is the power of extreme sell. It always works. Extreme sell always works if you follow the market bias correctly. When I mean by always work, it has like a 90% win rate. Now let's head on to the re-entry in the BBMA strategy. Okay, so after our extreme sell, it's time for us to re-enter for the uptrend buyers. Okay, right here we can see a re-entry. Price always touch the moving average 5 or 10 high, comes down to moving average 5 or 10 low, goes up to moving average 5 or 10 high, comes down again to moving average 5 or 10 low. So that is the pattern for re-entry. And as you can see, price has been doing this pattern for a while now. Go up, come down. This is our entry. Goes up, come down to our entry, 5 or 10 high. Okay. Now currently we can see this is the recent chart. Currently we can see that price has touched our moving average 5 or 10 low. So in this condition, what are you expected to do? You're expected to buy. You're expected to buy in this condition. Now that we are late, it's time for us to know how to multi-time frame so we can have the perfect entry for this, our 4 re-entry. Entry, re-entry. But you get what I'm saying, guys. So, okay, let me take it again. So price creates extreme sell. We took the profit. Price goes down. Touch our retest entry, which is the MA5 or 10 low, goes up, comes down again to MA5 or 10 low, goes up, comes down for re-entry, goes up again, comes down for re-entry, goes up to 5 or 10 high, comes down for re-entry. Now currently price went up, now it comes down for re-entry. Re-entry points for uptrend is always the MA5 high or 10, MA5 or 10 low rather. Now we can see we can't just enter this trade because price has already almost reached our take profit, which is moving average 10 or 5 high right here. Okay, right here you can see moving average is 2. Sorry, let me just get rid of this 2. This is our initial take profit spot, moving average 5 or 10 high, and price has already reached it. But what is the benefit of multi-time framing? Would there be another chance for us to re-enter in the 1 hour time frame? Now let's check the 1 hour time frame and see how the chart plays in that time frame zone. 1 hour time frame. Okay, as you can see, price has already touched our TP. So this is a multi-time frame confirmation that trade is not for us to enter, that we should not enter the trade. Now, one thing to note in BBMA strategy multi-time framing is that it's just for confirmations and also to look for better spots to enter. Now, assuming price was around this range, we will still have the opportunity to enter this trade, targeting the MA5 high or MA5 1005 high. But right now we can see that price has already touched the MA5 high, which signifies the taking of our profit initially. Now I personally didn't enter this trade because I also saw this late, and I also confirmed this time frame. This multi-time framing strategy helps me really well to know where to enter, if I should enter or if I shouldn't enter, and it just told me that I should not enter, so I should wait for another re-entry initially before I can place my trade. And what I'm expecting price to do is go up, come down to our previous zone, which is the EME 5 or 10 low, for going up again. Now, how do we take profit in re-entry? Let's go back to time frame 4. How do we take profits in re-entry? It's pretty simple, guys. Now, for instance, let's say we take our trade here, this H4 rectangle in the MA5 or 10 low. When I mean MA5 or 10 low, you can buy within any range. It is still a safe spot. Now let's say we place our trade here. Our take profit should always be within the range of MA5 or 10 high, and our stop loss should be 30 pips or few pips below the middle Bollinger Band. This is the safest way to re-enter a trade. 30 pips maximum or below the middle Bollinger Band. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you understand. If you do not understand, please do well to comment in the comment section, and I will explain more on theories and concepts for you to understand better. Or we can have a free one-on-one session on Telegram. Just message me Indiana Abai at Indiana Abai, and I'll be available for you any day, anytime for the Trading Blueprint family. Well, we've come to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share. I took time to just ravel out the strategy I understand, the concepts I understand in this BBMA. Please, your support will be highly appreciated. Like and subscribe, share. See you guys in the next video. Peace.